Thanks for the oil up. I've been stuck in that position for ages. That feels good. Hey, I owe you big time. I know. I can make you rich. See, I'm a Clamtron 4000. Just find me some clams and I'll mash them all up into a big fat pearl. How's that? As promised, one new gleaming white pearl coming right up. A little more pressure. Add some heat. Now just shift it around with a touch of elbow grease and presto! What? A shiny new black pearl? Oh no, what happened? What did you do to me? I've lost my gift.
But black pearls are far more valuable in today's market. Here, let me take a look. It's not a pearl. Big fuse? Go boom!
I don't understand. What are you talking about?
You made a bomb!
Good news! I found another piece to the great machine. The Cyclopses have stolen the Crystal Eye. Figures. They always wanted it for their own, even named their castle after it. But the bad news is they've sealed off the bridge entrance that used to unite the temple to their kingdom. It looks like we're gonna have to find another... Wait, is that a bomb? Where in Skylands did we get a bomb?
I made it myself.
Really? Well, that might be just what we need. A bomb could possibly open up the entrance to the tunnel. Or blow us all up in the process. Hopefully the former.
All right then. Just come back anytime you need another one. Apparently, I can make these things all day long.
Use the bomb on the sealed entrance.
Wow! Thanks for breaking down the barrier. Oh dear. Thank goodness you aren't Cyclopses. Wait, you aren't Cyclopses, are you? I sure hope not, because I just escaped from their terrible Crystal Eye Castle.
Doesn't look like he sees too well, does he?
Oh, I saw some terrible things in that place. Or at least I think I did. They have a giant crystal orb that focuses energy. I fear they'll use it for evil. That seems to be their thing, you know. Evil and not bathing. Phew.
That's it! That's the Crystal Eye that we need to rebuild the core! That's where you must go. Recover that orb and bring it back to the ruins. Of course, the downside is that you will inevitably have to battle the Cyclopses, so be careful.
Yeah, and hold your nose. Meanwhile, I can take you there, no worries. I may be a little nearsighted, but since there's only one bridge leading to their castle, it should be a
snap?
Yeah, that's right. Right, let's go.
Ahem. Other way?
Of course it is. I must say I'm not looking forward to seeing those Cyclopses again, but at least I won't see them too clearly. Before I escaped, I was at the top of the castle. It was there that I saw something that made my normally blurry vision suddenly super clear. It must have been the Crystal Eye. To get up there, you'll need to destroy the two seeing towers in order to open the big gate. yes. One more thing. And this one is very important. Once you get past the gate...
Skylanders of the Earth element. And are stronger in this zone. Skylanders of the air element are stronger in this zone. A note from Professor P. Grungally says, Cyclopses are amazing stonemasons. They've constructed stone castles, statues, and temples throughout Skylanders. The stone-carved ships of the Cyclops Navy were not their proudest moment. You need an undead Skylander to unlock this gate. You need an Earth Skylander to unlock this gate. need an undead Skylander to unlock this game. Skylanders of the tech element are stronger in this zone. Skylanders of the air element are strong. They're in this zone. Skylanders of the air element are stronger in this zone. Skylanders of the tech element. And are stronger in this zone. Skylanders of the air element are stronger. zone.
Suddenly everything is so much clearer. Let's get it back to the ruins and add it to the machine.
Well done. You have brought the crystal eye.
Thank you. Now we must get the eternal Earth source. The villagers in Stone Town have recovered it and are keeping it safe until we arrive.
Woohoo, yeah! Finally, an easy one! What did I tell you? Cake!
Except for Chaos, the Growing Darkness, and the foul-smelling Cyclops is all looking for the very thing that we're after.
Oh, yeah, well, I guess if you count those.
I'm sure Diggs knows the way. We should ask him.
Say, how's about a visit to Stone Town?